This is gonna blow your mind. Did you know coconut oil can boost your health in surprising ways? Despite what you've heard, coconut oil has unique properties that make it beneficial. Let's uncover the real facts. We'll also address some common misconceptions and provide you with clear, evidence-based information. Get ready to discover the amazing health benefits of this superfood. Coconut oil is about 70% medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, which are a special type of fat that our bodies metabolize differently compared to the more common long-chain triglycerides, or LCTs, found in most other oils. This unique composition is what makes coconut oil so special and beneficial for our health. Think of LCTs like big, bulky packages that take a long time to break down and absorb. These large packages require more effort and time for our bodies to process. They often end up stored as fat if we don't use them immediately. This can lead to weight gain and other health issues if not managed properly. MCTs, on the other hand, are like small, nimble packages that are quickly absorbed and transported straight to the liver. This rapid absorption means they can be used almost immediately for energy. In the liver, MCTs are converted into ketones, which are an alternative energy source for our bodies, especially our brains. This conversion process is efficient and provides a quick energy boost. You see, our brains typically rely on glucose for energy, but when ketones are available, they can readily use those too. This flexibility in energy sources is crucial for maintaining optimal brain function. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with conditions like Alzheimer's disease, where the brain's ability to utilize glucose is impaired. Ketones can provide an alternative fuel source, potentially improving cognitive function and slowing the progression of the disease. This can lead to better memory, focus, and overall mental clarity. Now, you might be wondering, what's so special about ketones? Why are they considered a superior energy source? Well, ketones are a more efficient source of energy for our cells compared to glucose. They provide a steady and sustained energy supply without the spikes and crashes associated with glucose. They produce fewer free radicals, which are harmful molecules that can damage our cells and contribute to aging and disease. Moreover, ketones have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can benefit a wide range of health conditions. Inflammation is a common underlying factor in many chronic diseases, so reducing it can have significant health benefits. They can also help regulate blood sugar levels, making them potentially beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes. By providing a stable energy source, ketones can help manage blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of complications. So the high MCT content in coconut oil is one of the key reasons why it stands out from other saturated fats. Unlike other fats, MCTs are quickly converted into energy and are less likely to be stored as fat. These MCTs provide a readily available source of ketones, which can fuel our brains, reduce inflammation, and promote overall health. Incorporating coconut oil into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to harness these benefits and support your overall well-being. Whether you use it for cooking, add it to your smoothies, or even use it in baking, coconut oil can be a versatile and health-boosting addition to your daily routine. So, why not give it a try and experience the powerhouse benefits of coconut oil for yourself? Hey there! Make sure to watch till the end to learn more about the benefits of coconut oil. And while you're here, take a second to like, share, and subscribe. I bet you didn't know how coconut oil can transform your digestive health. Let's talk about how our bodies digest fats. It's a fascinating process that involves several organs working in harmony. Normally, when we consume fats, our gallbladder releases bile to help break them down. Bile acts like a detergent, emulsifying fats so that they can be more easily digested. This process can be taxing on the liver and gallbladder, especially if we consume large amounts of unhealthy fats. Over time, this stress can lead to various digestive issues and even gallstones. However, coconut oil is different. It's unique because it contains medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs. Because of its unique composition of MCTs, it doesn't require bile for digestion. This is a significant advantage for those with compromised digestive systems. This means that coconut oil puts less stress on the liver and gallbladder, making it a great option for individuals with digestive issues or those who have had their gallbladder removed. They can enjoy the benefits of healthy fats without the usual digestive strain. Imagine a well-oiled machine, effortlessly gliding through its tasks. That's how coconut oil interacts with our digestive system, making everything run smoothly. It's easily broken down and absorbed, providing our bodies with energy without overworking our organs. This efficiency is particularly beneficial for those who need a quick source of energy. This gentle nature of coconut oil makes it an excellent choice for people with sensitive stomachs or those recovering from illness. It can be a soothing addition to a healing diet. It's also a great alternative for individuals who experience discomfort or digestive issues when consuming other types of fats. coconut oil can be a game changer for those struggling with fat digestion. It's a natural and delicious way to support your body's overall health and well-being. Incorporating it into your diet can have numerous benefits. Remember, a healthy gut is crucial for a healthy life. Your digestive system plays a key role in your overall health. By choosing foods that promote digestive harmony, like coconut oil, you're investing in your long-term health and vitality. It's a small change that can make a big difference. Now let's talk about lauric acid, a key component of coconut oil that deserves its own spotlight. This remarkable substance is not just another ingredient, it's a game changer for our health. About 50% of coconut oil is lauric acid, a medium-chain fatty acid with remarkable antimicrobial properties. What does antimicrobial mean? It means it can combat a variety of harmful microorganisms. Lauric acid has the ability to fight off harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi that can make us sick. These pathogens are everywhere, but lauric acid helps keep them at bay. It's like having a tiny army of defenders inside our bodies, ready to fight off invaders. This internal defense system is crucial for maintaining our health and well-being. Our bodies convert lauric acid into monolaurin, a potent antiviral and antibacterial compound. This conversion enhances our body's ability to fend off infections. Monolaurin has been shown to be effective against a wide range of pathogens, including those responsible for the flu, herpes, and even staph infections. These are common ailments that can be quite debilitating, but monolaurin offers a natural way to combat them. Think of lauric acid as a natural shield, protecting our bodies from harmful microbes. This shield is always on guard, ensuring that we stay healthy and strong. It's like a superhero in disguise, fighting off villains and keeping us healthy. Just like superheroes in movies, lauric acid works tirelessly behind the scenes to protect us. But lauric acid's benefits don't stop there. It also plays a role in other vital bodily functions that contribute to our overall health. It helps boost our immune system by increasing the production of white blood cells, which are our body's first line of defense against infections. These cells are essential for identifying and destroying harmful invaders. Imagine lauric acid as a personal trainer for your immune system, helping it get stronger and more resilient. This training ensures that our immune system is always ready to tackle any threats. It's like giving your body's natural defenses a powerful upgrade. This upgrade makes a significant difference in how effectively our body can respond to infections. So, by incorporating coconut oil into your diet, you're not just enjoying its delicious flavor, you're also giving your body an extra dose of lauric acid, a natural immune-boosting powerhouse. This simple addition to your diet can have profound effects on your health, making you more resilient to illnesses and infections. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. The American Heart Association's AHA stance on coconut oil. You might have heard that the AHA advises against consuming coconut oil because it's high in saturated fat. But here's the thing. The AHA's recommendations are based on older research that doesn't consider the unique benefits of coconut oil. The truth is, the coconut oil industry has never sponsored the AHA. Their recommendations are based on their interpretation of scientific studies, and unfortunately, those interpretations haven't always kept up with the latest research on coconut oil. For decades, saturated fat was blamed for heart disease. However, more recent studies have challenged this idea, showing that the relationship between saturated fat and heart health is more complex than we thought. In fact, some studies have shown that consuming coconut oil can actually improve heart health by increasing HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol, and reducing inflammation. So don't let outdated recommendations scare you away from enjoying the many health benefits of coconut oil. Do your own research, talk to your healthcare provider, and make informed decisions about your diet based on the latest scientific evidence. Remember, knowledge is power. By staying informed and questioning outdated beliefs, you can take control of your health and make choices that support your well-being. So there you have it. Coconut oil is not the villain it's made out to be. In fact, it has numerous health benefits. From boosting your immune system to providing a quick source of energy, coconut oil deserves a place in your pantry. Remember, moderation is key with any food. Experience its amazing benefits for yourself. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out our other videos on health and wellness tips. Click on either of the two videos on the screen to learn more.